Hello everyone, welcome to the Onfinity ERP training series. In today's session, we will be going over one of the master settings included in our sales and marketing process. This helps identify the nature of business for the leads we receive. To set up this categorization, we will be using the industry code screen of Onfinity ERP. The objectives of this training session are to understand what an industry code is and its purpose. You will also learn how the industry code screen functions in ERP and know where and how industry codes are applied. There are some prerequisites that need to be taken care of before setting up industry codes. These include familiarity with the Onfinity ERP master data screen layout, its navigation, and the additional options available on the screen. You also need a basic understanding of industry sectors in terms of the nature of businesses. Lastly, you must have access to the Master Data Configuration screen, which is the industry code in the ERP. Now, let's understand industry codes. An industry code classifies a business entity, such as a customer or vendor, based on its primary industry sector. These codes follow standard models like NAICS, NACE, or SIC, or they can be custom defined by the organization. In simple terms, an industry code answers the question, what kind of business are we dealing with? For example, the 104 code is assigned to data or telecom OEM industries, and the 105 code is assigned to government agencies. Let's visualize how the industry codes are handled within the Onfinity ERP. Once you've logged into the system, you will see a menu button on the top left corner. Now, to open the industry code screen in the system, you have two options. You can either directly type the respective screen name in the search bar, or you can follow a particular pattern to open that respective screen. Open the menu, and under Master Data Management, there are a few segments already included in this categorization. You need to drill down into Sales Setup. Once you are in Sales Setup, the specific screen we need to open is Industry Code. Click this, and you will be prompted to the screen. By default, this view will display all the pre-created system default records, giving you a clear idea of the name, code, and status of each respective industry code. Now, if you wish to go to the detailed view, you need to click on the name hyperlinks available on that particular record. These records are not editable as they are created by the system. If you need to create your own code, then click on the New Record button. The specific information you need to maintain while configuring the industry code includes the organization name, search key, name, and description. By default, your login organization will appear. Let's consider the food manufacturing industry with code 119 and some description. This code should align with your organization's standards. After filling in all the information, save the record. This particular master record is now ready to be used in transactions. Additionally, if you would like to deactivate or discontinue a particular industry code due to your organization's decisions or a change in the business process, you need to uncheck the active button and save it. By doing so, this information will not be available for selection when sales and marketing transactions are created. Let's quickly see where we can use these codes. Let's assume we have received a lead for ERP implementation from Licious Industries, and we need to link an industry code with this lead. First, we will fill in all the necessary information. Then, if you look at the industry code drop-down, you will find every code that was present at the master level. We will select our code and save this lead. Believing this lead successfully converted into our customer, I will quickly move in the system to complete the process and mark this lead as a customer in the system. Now let's move back to the industry code screen. Here, we have another tab that caters to customer information. This tab maintains the linkage of the industry codes with the customers for marketing analytics and reporting purposes. We use the manufacturing industry code for this customer, and the same has been automatically updated here by the system. This is how the industry code is created and used in Onfinity ERP. Thank you for attending this session.